Matchbox 1970 Ford Bronco. This Matchbox 1970 Ford Bronco variant was released in 2025. Let's open the card. The color of the car is pale green, and it has ringed disc wheels. On the front, it has detailed headlights and grille. On the back, it has detailed taillights, Ford and Bronco. Light smoke window tint. Chrome plastic base. Matchbox 2018 Dodge Charger. This Matchbox 2018 Dodge Charger variant was released in 2019. Let's open the card. The color of the car is metal flake green, and it has silver 5-spoke wheels. On the front, it has detailed trim and headlights and grille. On the back, it has license plate, detailed tail lights, and trim. Smoke window tint. Black plastic base. Matchbox 2021 Mazda MX-30. This 2021 Mazda MX-30 variant was released in 2023. Let's open the card. The color of the car is matte orange, and it has black 5-spoke wheels. On the front, it has detailed headlights and trim. On the side, it has Matchbox 70 Years logo on doors. On the back, it has detailed taillights and trim. Dark smoke window tint. Dark smoke window tint. Dark gray plastic base. The trunk can be opened. Matchbox 1957 Ford Country Sedan. This Matchbox 1957 Ford Country Sedan variant was released in 2025. The card. The color of the car is star mist blue and white, and it has ringed disc wheels. On the front, it has detailed headlights and Ford. On the side, it has yellow side panel and country sedan. On the back, it has detailed taillights. Clear window tint. Chrome plastic base. The hood can be opened.